back in the cut.
Yeah, man, I see you over here. What you got running in here?
415 ZVXs, 2 Ampere Audio 3800s right here. I had more room for them. I got the biggest North Star AGM battery and a McMahon 370 amp alt.
Yes, sir.
Turning about 33, between 33 and 42 hertz.
That's a nice box you got right there.
Oh yeah, it's GP Audio.
That's all I seen that one online somewhere. I seen it online.
Yeah, I had them do it for me, do it up.
Yeah, they got you right.
Let's see what we can do for you here. Put this up here.
There's 2 Ampere Audios?
Yeah, they're just stacked on top of each other.
You got them at 1 on?
1 on, yep.
Oh yeah, that's right, it'll work out.
Yeah, those are half foam subs, so that's all I could do. I was going to strap them, but
yeah,
I was getting more power out of them just like that, just separating the two.
yeah.
2 on each amp.